we have a fair amount of people call us and say, hey, I'm thinking about buying a home. Could you come out and take a look and let me know if it needs new siding? And so first off, like if your roof's leaking, if your windshield's broken, there's certain things in life where you absolutely positively need to get them replaced. Siding's normally like 1 to 3 years, right? It's very rare like I must do it today, okay? When you're thinking about things on your home, a lot of them has to do with keeping water out. And so the biggest problem with most homes in Kansas City is there's no proper flashing. There's no house wrap underneath it. And so unfortunately, if you're a homeowner, those are two things you really can't fix at all. Like they're not things you could fix on your own. They're not things that a lot of times you can come up during a home inspection because you're not going to take the existing sign off looking for house wrap. And so a lot of times what people look for is caulking. They want to see everything is caulked. The reality is the more caulk you have, normally the more problems you have because caulk traps moisture, traps water, and it hides issues short term. And so people buy Bondo and they buy caulk and then they fix all the short term water and they paint it and it looks good. That doesn't necessarily help you long term. Unfortunately, I think the thing that a lot of homeowners got to figure out is it's really not a checklist of what's there and what's not there. So the two biggest things you always need are almost never going to be there. So you're not going to know. You're not going to know if you have house wrap, and then generally there's no flashing anywhere. Because if you have panel siding or you have old cedar shingle siding, nobody used to properly flash behind it. And so I think the biggest thing is more about like what's the general condition, how much wood rot is there, how bad is the paint, is the vinyl cracked, and then you can make a determination based on that. But the things I think you'd really want to look at for like a home inspection, they're not going to show up. And so I think it's better to just have a broad conversation because the things you really want to look for are very hard to notice.